So today on When I Have My Cafe, I'm going to be making you something which I really love. It's barley risotto with my favorite beetroot. Now beetroot is something that I absolutely love, and I think it lends most beautifully to most of everything. In fact, I also make chocolate brownies with these, but that's for another day. Is a little oil. We're also going to be adding a little butter, a bit of spice, half a red chili, onion, a little salt, a little pepper, ladle full of vegetable stock, grated beetroot. And now what we're going to do is going to be adding our pre-cooked barley. So here goes our pre-cooked barley. Just let it cook down a bit. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. Just throw in some basil that has been hand torn. This smells so delicious. Oh my god, it's delicious. The beetroot and the chili, I tell you, a great combination. And you don't even miss the rice. This is so healthy and so tasty. But when I have my cafe, this is definitely going in my menu.